How to fix subscribe button not working on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the issue where your subscribe button is not working on Instagram. So Instagram provides its users with a premium subscription for your followers. So if you are not able to use your subscribe button, or if you're trying to subscribe to someone and you're not able to do so, in that case, you need to first check if your Instagram is up to date or not. Open up Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom and simply search for Instagram. Tap on the app, and if you see an update button here instead of open, you need to go ahead and update the app to its latest version. Since I have this open option available, I'm not able to update it, so this app is on its latest version on my device. After doing that, you need to go ahead and long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, and from here you need to try to clear cache. You can do that by going over to storage, then tap on clear cache at the bottom right. If you want, you can also try to clear data, but it's going to completely log you out of your account. Once that is done, what you need to do next is go over to permission, make sure all of the permissions are allowed, and then final step is to make sure that you have professional mode turned on Instagram. Once you are on your Instagram profile, you can tap on the top right corner, and then from here you need to go ahead and find creator tools and controls, or basically you can find account types and tools down below if you don't have a professional account, or you could just use the search bar and then simply search for professional. And once you search for it, you can find an option to add professional account. So I already have my professional account, and after doing all of these steps, you can easily start using the subscribe button one more time. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.